All right, so it's been a while since I've done one of these, and I mean an extremely long while. And let's do like a massive unbox video. And I just realized there is no way I'm going to be able to keep up with everything I've got here and do individual unboxes for everything and just be able to get through it. So I'm literally looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes right now of stuff I want to take a look at. So fuck it, let's just do it all in one massive unbox. Here we go. Now, I just got this from a guy named Glenn Reynolds. I don't know what it is. I've got a wild idea what it might be. This feels like it might be a rack unit or something. What is this? Oh my God, we got Glenn. Glenn, great name, by the way. I heard you once wanted you preview an ADA MP1. This is from Glenn Reynolds, Cannabis and Kings, formerly since June. Okay, that is amazing. Thank you so much, Glenn. Ooh, ADA MP1. Check that puppy out. That is just sick. So this is a programmable tube guitar preamp, and this is the stuff that dreams were made of back in the 80s. I always wanted to play through one of these and never got to because a lot of Canadian music stores just didn't carry this kind of stuff. So yeah, it's definitely been around the block once or twice. Dude, thank you so much. I will get this back to you in a few weeks once I have a chance to try it out, but that is super cool. I'm gonna hand this off to my very capable intern, Mr. Roman Navarro, and we're gonna throw this in the rack where the Galleon Kruger is over there. All right, so Lawton Audio. This one's been sitting around for a couple weeks. Apparently they've got a couple really badass mics that are great on guitar cabs. You know, they gave me a call a couple weeks ago and they said, hey, we really want to send you something. I saw them at a great bunch of dudes. Honestly, I've been really interested in this brand for a while, and they sent me couple of mic boxes here. Oh my God, look at this. That's 1 and 2. Wow, fantastic. You know, if somebody wants to send me an unboxing sword, like a katana or something, I think that'd be super cool. This is the United States of America, so we're allowed to have cool shit like that. Oh, look at this. Okay, wow. Okay, moment of truth. So this is the first mic. We get 2 of them here. Apparently we're supposed to pair these up on a cabinet, and they're supposed to be really cool together. So let's see what we got. And this is the LS308. If we're using this microphone, please download our operating manual. What fun is that? Seriously though. Okay, so we got a great big sock. Look at this. I wonder if this might be a good voiceover mic too. This is heavy as shit, I gotta say. So we've got, looks like we got a high pass filter, and it'll roll off at 120 hertz and 50 hertz. And a low pass filter as well. I've never seen that on a mic, but pretty solid. And yeah, just hook it onto your mic stand, away you go. But this looks like a very directional kind of thing. This, apparently they're telling me this is the thing we should be using on guitar cabinets, but I want to try this on voice. This actually looks like it would be pretty damn sick as a voiceover mic. So this is mic number 2. Super cool. And let's see what we get here. This is the LS208. Okay, cool. And this comes with a very heavy-duty shock mount. Wow, that's actually a really rock-solid piece of metal there. That's kind of awesome. Comes with pop filter, mic mount. That's cool. It just feels rock solid. It does. I can't wait to go mic up a guitar amp on this. Is this? Oh, this is end address. Whoa, I think they were talking about this being like a super tight pickup pattern. So the capsule's like, put this here, the capsule's here, and you've got all this negative space behind it for directional. What is that? Yeah, high pass and low pass filters again. It's not omnidirectional, it's not whatever, but. So cheers to Lawton Audio for sending us a couple of very unique designs as far as I'm concerned with microphones, like an end address medium diaphragm to condenser like that. That is different. Again, just feels absolutely rock solid, super cool. Can't wait to go mic up a guitar cab with this or several other things. Who knows? This might be really badass. Looking forward to trying this. Next up, now this is something I found at Summer NAMM, and we've been talking back and forth about doing this. This is from M House Studios. This is a couple of young dudes who are starting building their own rack gear, and this is the 5020 stereo FET limiter. Ooh, that's light too. Look at that. That's great. So yeah, we got a nice little compression meter here. Real solid switches here. Nice, easy to read chicken head knobs. I mean, like, that's one of the reasons why the Distressor has those big black and white knobs, so you can just see what it's set to from a distance, so you don't have to fuck around. Obviously, somebody got very pissed off working with an original 1176. You gotta go, where the fuck is that? You know, this same kind of idea. It's just set so you can see what your settings are at a glance, and you don't have to fuck around. That's really super cool. Oh, did I mention? It's stereo. Look at that. We got channel 1 and channel 2. That is super fucking cool. So those of you guys who are looking to get an 1176 style compressor might want to check this out, because this is going to be like 2 for the price of 1. How cool is that? Next up, we just got something in from Heritage Audio. Ooh, yeah, we got something great from Heritage Audio. What is this? It's heavy, whatever it is. Well, thank you, Heritage Audio. Let's see what it is. Oh my goodness, what is this? Crom's balls! It's a stereo bus compressor. I was completely wrong. Holy crap, this thing weighs a ton. Whoa! That is seriously cool. Oh man, what am I gonna do with this? Threshold, ratio, attack, release, sidechain filter, and gain makeup. This is all stepped blend control. So we're gonna be able to hit this really hard. Like we've already got a bus compressor in the board itself right here, and now we've got this, and yeah, this is just gonna be freaking amazing. Super cool. Can't wait to try this beast out. Amazing. Thanks so much. Next up is a little box from Laney. Now, if you guys, if I haven't aired this episode yet, the Laney cabinet is just one of the most unholy monstrosities ever. They were kind enough to send me the limited edition Black Country Custom Tony Iommi cab with English-made Celestian greenbacks, and oh, it's just so luscious. So this is a little box full of surprises from Laney. It's not very heavy, so I'm gonna take a wild guess it might be some pedals. It's a whole bunch of air. There we go. Black Country Customs Secret Path Reverb. Black Country Customs a monolith. And Steel Park Overdrive. So here we go. Here's the 3 of the Black Country Custom pedals. I'm gonna have to demo these at some point. So this is the reverb. Oh, that's just beautiful. Look at that. That's super cool. Oh, you can even put an expression pedal in it. How awesome is that? This is the Steel Park. Steel Park what? Boot? Oh, this is the Steel Park Boost. Okay. So this is like an overdrive kind of thing. You know, you're taking this whole Black Country Customs things really seriously. You know what? And I'm super happy to be working with these guys on this. So this is the Monolith Distortion. That's going to be pretty cool too. No detents, you know, a couple different modes. Right on. So yeah, we're going to do a full rundown on these in a few weeks once I get a chance to try them out. Okay, next up we've got the IK Multimedia Axe.io. This is a guitar recording rig. Got a nice little heft to it. Okay, wow. So we've got our guitar input. We've got some shaping controls for impedance, that kind of thing. And then we got a couple mic preamps on the back here. Mic line in, 4 line outs. External controls, wow. Like foot switches, that kind of stuff. MIDI capability, nice. And yeah, 2 guitar inputs. And then this must be for the Z-tone. Okay, that's manipulating that. Headphones, monitoring, master. Okay, cool. Amp out. Oh, so you can put a guitar in here and then take a straight out from your amp. Oh, so you can plug a guitar in here and then this can go straight out to your amp. So you can even probably use this as an effects box. That's pretty freaking cool, guys. I gotta say, I've never actually seen that before. Maybe even you can use this as a reamper too. Interesting. If it's got an amp out, yeah, I would think so. Does it have a ground lift? First thing I look for when I'm hooking into an amp, because it's one thing I've learned in here is ground loops are a major pain in the ass. So ground lifts are always welcome. Anyway, super cool. Gonna try this out on an upcoming episode as well. So that's the Axe.io. Definitely want to take a look at that. And last but not least, the big one. This one I carried on my shoulder. This is a tube Varimute compressor from Tegler Audio from Germany. Oh, this is luscious. This is just the kind of compressor you dream about owning, and I just can't believe Tegler was nice enough to say, hey, you know what? We want to get one on your show. Okay, great. Twist my arm, why don't you? Oh man, wow, check this out. That's crazy. I carried this on my shoulder from the post office all the way here to the studio too. That was a long day. And the trick is, how do we get it out of the box? Roman, come here for a minute. Here, let's grab the box. There we go. Perfect. All right. Thank you, Roman. Here, dude. Let's just see what's going on. Oh, man. Okay, these guys are taking the packaging seriously. Ooh, washers. Oh, anti-static cloth for it. Wow. Ooh, this is some really beautiful gear. I know Warren's a gigantic fan of this. Yeah, a little. Oh, there's the user manual. Great. Let's. It just smells nice. It smells like Holy Pro. Look at this. We got all the signatures here by who worked on it. You know, calibration, specifications check, listening test, knobs and switch reset, cleansing, visual check, and packed, all by the same guy. And it looks like AB. So thank you very much, AB, for all the wonderful quality control you're doing on this. This is gonna be insane. Now, I don't know how to get it the hell out of here, so just bear with me a minute. This is definitely a 2-space rack, maybe a 3. Oh, good. Yeah, we might have to move the Kemper. Oh, boo-hoo. Oh my God. Okay, and here it is. It's not as heavy as I thought. Varitube compressor. Ooh, it's so nice. Oh, wow. Output left and right, input left and right. That's it on the back. That is it. So very simple, but the controls, trying to drop it. Input, output, attack, release, 60 hertz low cut, 120 hertz low cut, link. So you can link the channels. Same thing, attack, input, output, release. Power, and then low cut. Again, the link controls, so they'll just work off one. So this is dual mono or stereo. How freaking amazing is that? That is just super cool. I can't wait to try this thing out on a few mixes. So thank you very much to Tagler for this incredible piece of pro audio gear. Wow. This is definitely, I think, going to become a fast favorite in here at Harmony Studios. We're definitely going to get some use out of this anyway. So thank you so much. Anyway, just want to say thank you so much to Tagler, Heritage Audio, IK Multimedia, Laney, M House Studios, and Glenn, who sent me the ADA MP1. This is way more gear than I deserve or am ever going to have time to play with, probably. Holy smokes. But anyway, this is going to just be super cool. I can't wait to try out all these goodies. And until next time, make the best records you can by whatever means necessary. Take it easy.